introduce you to Allied Machine Engineering Corporation's Genesis high penetration rate drilling system. Okay, I'd like to start off with a quick video of the tool. Okay, so what we were watching right there was just an example of this high penetration rate drill in a 6061 rod aluminum. It was on horizontal machining center with high column pressure. So it was running at 200 inches a minute, which is a pretty aggressive penetration rate, pretty high penetration rate, short cycle time. The reason I showed you that is because I want to persuade you today to apply that tool in your applications. The reason I feel like it's the best tool for your applications is because I've spent several years working on this tool both in the research lab as well as in production applications group, helping people with their applications on how to apply this tool. And I have a lot of hands-on experience training people how to use this tool as well. So I've been around this tool for many years. I think it's a good product. I know it's going to be right for you. Okay, the cutting tool industry is in need of a high penetration rate indexable drilling system. Manufacturing costs are rising, so everything's getting more expensive, cycle time's more expensive, wages are more expensive, things are being outsourced, so we need a high penetration rate drill. And what can we do to combat that? We need to reduce the cycle times, we need to reduce the cost per hole. So the amount of time that this tool is on the machine needs to be reduced as much as possible. We also need to reduce the cost for each specific hole. Another problem is exotic materials are becoming more common. So the old days with standard steels and cast iron are less commonplace today. You're going to see a lot more high-speed steel or high-temp alloys, composites, more challenging materials to machine. And these materials are expensive, so you don't want to scrap apart. You don't want to break tools. You don't want to scrap apart because it's really, really costly expensive. The other thing that's happening is, one-piece cutting tools are becoming outdated. That's kind of old technology. They have a higher cost and they require a much higher inventory. Okay, so the Genesis. Today I want to persuade you to apply the Genesis in your cutting tool applications. Why do I want to persuade you? Well, the Genesis has a special geometry and coating that allows it to achieve those higher penetration rates. It has cutting tool geometry designed for specific materials. So there's challenging applications where you're struggling to get the tool to run. We have a variety of geometries that are available to you. It has two-piece construction, so it has versatility. It has different diameters and geometries that are available with one tool body. So it's indexable and it's more versatile. Okay, so the Genesis, what does this mean to you? It's going to help you to improve your manufacturing processes. And how is it going to do that? It has high penetration rates. So the higher penetration rates are going to allow you to run faster cycle times, to reduce your cost per hole, and it's going to increase your tool life. Superior tool performance in exotic materials. So it's better than the competition. It runs better in these exotic materials that are problematic for other tools. So it's going to be able to produce those holes with less scrap and less problems. And added versatility in inventory. It's going to allow you to reduce your inventory. It's going to reduce the cost. More versatile, one tool body for a lot of different diameters and geometries. What all these things mean to you, they mean cost savings to you. Reduced cycle time, longer tool life, reduced inventory, and less tool breakage in exotic materials. All should put money back in your pocket. So in conclusion, we discussed that the cutting tool industry needs a high penetration rate drilling system. Genesis is that high penetration rate drilling system. It provides unique benefits in geometries, diameters, and coatings. It is a high penetration drilling system that's going to improve your manufacturing process. It's going to reduce your costs. If you're interested in saving money, you can go to our website. You can kind of browse the website for yourself, learn more about the Genesis. There's some other products on there. And if you have any questions, if you want to apply this tool in your cutting tool applications, please feel free to call us, contact us either via website or call us in the applications department or the customer service department. We'd be glad to help you with this product and get it implemented in your facility.